Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will study chapter number 1 Geo class 9. So let's begin. India's size and location. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multi-faceted social economic process during last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable process in the field of agriculture, industries, technology, and overall economic development. It is making the world history. This is very main point that India is making world history. Location. So let's understand about the location of India. India lying entirely in northern hemisphere. In the whole world, India lies entirely in northern hemisphere. Land extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north, longitude 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east, and the Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 north divides the country almost two equal parts. Southwest and southeast mainlands lie the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Southernmost point of Indian Union, Indira Point, submerged under sea water in 2004 during tsunami. This is very main point of this chapter. So I am telling that this is why main point, because this is fact file of this chapter. Size. Let's talk about the size of India. Land masses of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. Total India take 2.4 of total geographical world में, यानी मीनिंग ये है कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में इंडिया 2.4% लेता है. India is seventh largest country in the world. Boundary about 15,200 million square kilometer. That is boundary about 15,200 million. तो ये इसकी ओनली बाउंड्रिंग है, पूरा एरिया नहीं है. ओके तो उसमें स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स नहीं लगाएंगे हम. इंक्लूडिंग अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड एंड लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड 7,516.6 किलोमीटर जो है ये लेता है. मैंने मेरे इनकी स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी है तो फिर आप लोग उस पर ध्यान देना. Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east, India is surrounded. So let's see that here it is written that India is seventh largest country in the world. So how? Russia is the first largest country, then Canada, then USA, then China, then Brazil, and then Australia, then India comes. So India is seventh largest country in the world. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, established between us as the time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, has taken the standard meridian of whole country. 1 degree is 4 minute. एज 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 4 मिनट जो है बुक में गिवन नहीं है, लेकिन हम इसके द्वारा पता कर सकते हैं कि ये जो हमारी स्टेटमेंट है ये ट्रू है या नहीं है. वी कैन सॉल्व दिस. India and the world. The Trans-Indian Ocean route with the connect of Indian countries of Europe in Trans-Indian Ocean routes connects countries of Europe in the west and countries of East Asia provides such a central location of India. जो इंडियन ओशन के साथ मतलब बताया जा रहा है कि इंडियन ओशन जो है उसमें ज़्यादातर पार्ट जो है वो इंडिया ले रखा है और कोई कंट्री नहीं ले रखा, वो बहुत कम से कम पार्ट ले रखा है. दैट्स वाई ये जो इंडिया नाम है ना वो इंडियन ओशन से पड़ा है. सो यहाँ पर नीचे ये लिखा हुआ है, नो अदर कंट्रीज हैव लॉन्ग कोस्ट लाइन ऑन इंडिया ओशन एज इंडिया हैज़ इन इंडिया. दैट्स वाई justify the naming ocean after it. Since the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 km. India's contact with world has continued through the ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than the maritime contact. So that maritime means होता है sea contact, sea कॉन्टैक्ट. तो इंडिया का जो मतलब रिलेशनशिप है लैंड रूट से ज़्यादा सी रूट में है. ठीक है. आइडियाज़ ऑफ उपनिषद एंड रामायण, द स्टोरी ऑफ पंचतंत्र, इंडियन न्यूमरल्स एंड डेसिमल सिस्टम दस कुड रीच मैनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. तो यहाँ से हमने इंडिया ने हमारे आइडियाज़ लिए थे. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी मेन पॉइंट, दिस ऑलवेज कम इन एग्जाम्स. On other hand, influence of Greek structure and architecture style of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different part of our country. India sharing land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, Northwest China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar, Bangladesh in the east. Before 97, there were two types of states in the India: the provinces that are princely state. This is also main point. Provinces were ruled directly by British officials who were appointed by the victory. This also came in exam that provinces जब रूल करते थे तो कौन रूल करता था, तो आंसर होगा ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स. Provinces, princely states were ruled by local hereditary rules. बेसिकली एग्जाम्स में पूछा जाता है कि प्रोविंसेस रूल में कौन कौन रूल करता है और प्रिंसिपली स्टेट में कौन रूल करता है. Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated by the Indian Narrow Channel from India by Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives, India are situated on the west of the Lakshadweep Island. एक इंडिया और श्रीलंका के बीच में एक छोटा सा नैरो सा चैनल है जिसको हम पार्क स्ट्रेट कहते हैं और गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार भी कहते हैं. वाइल जो मालदीव्स है आइलैंड्स का वो सिचुएटेड है वेस्ट में लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड के. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and if any doubts come in your mind, so please comment me below. I will always reply your doubts. Thank you.